I'm not doing it to you.
My bad.
No,
Sorry.
you're gonna do it again.
Dang.
Come on.
I'm just getting nervous.
What do you do? Line up his stats?
No, I just like something's tickling my nose.
But he keeps fucking making. Alright, fuck off.
Go. Get it. That's not it. That's the lineup for my stats.
I know. I see the hair, by the way. It's your left It's your left nostril, by the way.
Get it.
Yes. Okay. Fuck off. Just close your eyes. Fuck off.
Alright.
Don't.
That's not it.
I know it's not it. I'm just while I'm here.
What?